When you're by the pool, splash, splash, make sure you're safe and never dash. With your floaties on, you're good to go. But don't forget, safety's always the show. Water, water, splash all around. Stay safe and sound. Water, water, play with care. Always with parents, you're safe anywhere. Running by the pool, no, 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 no. You can slip, you can fall, that's not the goal. Walk, walk, slow and steady. With floaties on, you're always ready.